melting, there's nothing left to do. Heat wave